I'm here with Pine Acres RV in Stewiacke, and I have another super fresh arrival for you guys. This is a 2026 Heartland Sundance 24 ML. On the exterior, guys, beautiful large awning. There is some storage down back and some storage up front, and you also have an outdoor shower and power stabilizing jacks at the rear. Solid steps get us in, and come on inside, guys. Just inside the Heartland Sundance, this is a really good layout for a smaller 24-foot fifth wheel, right? You have your coffee nook right here. Nice, beautiful, large pantry. Lights come on when you open it. Check out this couch. Super comfy, by the way. It does recline. We have a dinette over here that will drop down into a bed. TV up top with some storage all around it. And they also build these with the whisper quiet ACs, guys. So up there, you're not going to hear that sound all the time. They also have a truss TXL roof on them. That was hard to get out. So it's rated up for more pounds, and it's fully walkable. Back here, we do have a nice L-shaped kitchen, tons of counter space with dual sinks, great for washing dishes, microwave up there, tons of storage, 3-burner cooktop, range hood, oven down below. Envision 12-volt refrigerator, tons of space in that puppy. And let's see what's going on up front. Couple steps get us up, and then check out this bathroom. Barely a lip to get into the shower, so you're not worried about that. Tons of space in here, tons of space around the toilet, great vanity space with storage down below and the medicine cabinet up top. And don't forget, this unit also has on-demand tankless hot water, as do most of them nowadays, I guess. Come on in here. We have a queen-size bed with end tables on either side, his or her storage with some great more storage up top. There is also a slide out here, so it gives you a little dresser area, great for the wife to store stuff. Spot to mount your TV. In there, tons more space, and you can't forget space underneath the bed. Great for blankets and stuff. Folks, if you like this unit and you want to check it out for yourselves, come on down to Pine Acres Stewiacke exit 11, and don't forget to keep an eye on our website, pineacresrv.com.